I'm Lisa and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a tasting video and you guys really seem to like the one I did before. The one about the Cadbury eggs for Easter. So I went to the store and I found some crazy flavored Oreos and I thought I'll give them a try. So I'm going to be tasting 4 different kinds of Oreos and then the one I like the most I'll turn into a cupcake. Let's get tasting. Okay, so the first one we're going to try is the Oreo in white chocolate. I just realized this probably isn't the best video to do because I'm probably going to have a lot of Oreos stuck in my teeth, but oh well. Okay, so we're going to try the Oreo with the white chocolate. Let's give it a go. Yum, this is so good. It tastes strangely familiar. I think I used to eat cookies that tasted kind of like this when I was a kid, but it's really good. It's so good. Good. Okay, that was a strong start. I'm gonna have my work cut out for me. Let's try the next one. Okay, the next one we're going to try is peanut butter and chocolate flavored Oreos. I like peanut butter, I like chocolate, and I like Oreos, so this should be a win. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, it tastes really good. The peanut butter is a little bit overpowering. I don't really taste the chocolate. I almost miss the Oreo because the peanut butter is so overpowering. It's good, but I think it's a little bit too peanut buttery. Let's try the next one. Okay, for the next one, we're going to try out the good old original Oreo. I already know I'm gonna love this one. Let's give it a try. Ooh, I just had an amazing idea. I'm quickly gonna go get a glass of milk and enjoy it the proper way. Okay, I don't drink a lot of milk, but I got a small glass and I have my Oreo. Okay, let's see if I can remember. Twist, lick, and dunk. Yum. So good. Is there any chocolate in my teeth? Okay, I'm really excited about this last one. It is called the Ice Cream Oreo. And when I checked the description, it says it's blueberry ice cream flavored cream. Let's give it a go. Okay, let's give it a try. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells blueberry, kind of like candy. So good. Let's try. Okay, I really like this one. It's very interesting. I like the blueberry flavor. It tastes a lot like candy that I had as a kid, but it has a minty flavor in it, which is weird and interesting and tasty. I'm gonna give it another try. This is a really tough choice because I really like this one, but I also like the white chocolate one. I'm not sure. Okay guys, it's decision time. I'm not gonna choose, yeah, you can see I ate a lot. Okay, I'm not gonna choose the original one. That would be too easy, but it was really good. The peanut butter and chocolate was not my favorite. It was good, but a little bit too heavy-handed with the peanut butter. Okay, so I have to choose between the ice cream Oreo with the blueberry filling or the white chocolate Oreo. I honestly do not know which one I like more. And before we choose the final winners, if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And the winner is... They both win. I couldn't choose. I just love them both and I think they'll make incredible cupcakes. So I'm going to choose one of these Oreos and make a cupcake for this video, and then the other one I'll make a separate video, so then you can watch both. Continue watching to see what I create. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to sieve the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And now for the star of the show, the Oreos. We're going to separate the cookies into two bowls. One bowl gets the cookies, while the other bowl gets the filling. To put the Oreo cookies into the cupcakes, we want to make sure that they're super fine. So we are going to use a food processor to blitz them up. And then we can add them to the dry mixture. We are only adding half of the crushed cookies, the other half we will use in the icing. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to add the egg, milk, oil, and vanilla. And then add the wet mixture to the dry mixture. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. And lastly, to make the cake super moist, we are going to add some hot water. Now remember, you should be able to dip your finger in the water without burning it. Fill the pan with your cupcake cups, and then fill the cups with the batter. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. For the icing, we can start by creaming our butter. We can add our icing sugar and the rest of our Oreo cookies. Mix for about 5 minutes. Add the filling of the Oreo, a little bit of purple food coloring, and some milk. And then decorate your cupcake. Don't forget to top it off with an Oreo and a little bit of crushed Oreos. I hope you guys liked this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more tasting videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.